Hello my dear student, this is Sonia Kaushik and today we are going to start our new chapter, that is cell biology. First and second chapter we have done. Third chapter we will do after some break of these kingdoms, and we are having a more time for kingdoms and classification and all that. So let's take a break and we are coming here with an interesting chapter, that is cell biology. Student, this is also called cytology. It is also called cytology. Cyto means cell, logy means study. Alright, if we take about cell biology, so we will do whatever the structures that are present, components that are present inside the cell. Suppose if we take bacterial cell, so in this have cell wall that is made up of peptidoglycan. If we take plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. If we take animal cell wall is absent, cell wall is not present. If we take fungal cell wall is made up of chitin. Alright students, so different cells have different types of, you can say, details or components. We have studied this bacterial cell in detail in Kingdom Monera. What are different shapes of bacteria? That may be rod shape, that may be spherical shape, that may be spiral shape, that may be coma shape. Different types of bacteria we have done, and we have done what are the organelles present and what type of bacterial cell. Let me discuss that. If we take a bacterial cell, suppose this is a bacterial cell. Alright, so it have a cell wall that is made up of peptidoglycan. This is cell wall that is made up of peptidoglycan, and sometimes this cell wall is again having a hard layer that is called capsule. Cell wall is again having a hard covering. In case of virulent bacteria, they have capsule, and if it is hard in nature, so it is called capsule. Otherwise it is also called slimy layer when it is loose. Alright, then it is called slimy layer. So these are basically present in virulent bacteria. Virulent means disease causing. Virulent bacteria के अंदर ये present होंगे, that are called disease causing. Then we have done that this bacterial cell membrane sometime folded inside. कई बार bacterial cell की membrane अंदर की तरफ folded होती है, that is called mesosome. That have, it is also important from NEET point of view. It have important part in, you can say, having respiratory enzymes. Respiratory enzymes are present in, and sometimes it also helps in cell wall formation. When there is binary fission, bacteria divides to form two cells. So cell wall formation also done by this mesosome. Alright students, then whatever the fluid present inside we have done, that is cytoplasm. Alright, this inside, this is cell membrane. This is also called plasma membrane. It have lipid as a main constituent, plasma membrane. Inside the fluid present, that is called cytoplasm. Ribosomes. In case of prokaryotes, 70 S ribosomes are present. What are ribosomes, students? Ribosomes are the protein factory that helps in formation of protein. We will do this detail in animal cell. Alright, ribosomes, 70 S type of ribosome. Very, very important question for NEET. In case of eukaryotes, students, these three are come under eukaryotes. This bacterial cell come under prokaryotes. Alright, we have done that eukaryotes. Eu means true, karyon means nucleus. Means in eukaryote there is proper nuclear membrane present, nuclear cover is present, nuclear membrane is present. That's why this is called eukaryotes. And in case of prokaryotes, pro means primitive. They don't have any nuclear membrane. So the DNA is present as a you can say folded, highly folded form, but no nuclear membrane is there. This is called nucleoid. We have discussed this is also called xenophore. This is also called insufficient nucleus. Alright children, this we are doing the basic structure of this prokaryotic cell. We have already discussed that. So these are some phosphate granules are also present. Cyanophysin granules are present as a storage body. Like in case of plant, starch is a stored food. In case of animal, glycogen is a stored food. Similarly, in case of bacterial cell, some phosphate granules, some you can say polyhydroxybutyrate, different types of you can say storage body, inclusion bodies are present. That we will discuss in detail. You can write here. Very important for NEET. Inclusion bodies. What are inclusion bodies? In prokaryotes, storage bodies are called inclusion body, and example may be phosphate granules and cyanophysin granules. One very important, PHB, polyhydroxybutyrate. These all are storage form of you can say food substances that are present in bacterial cell. These are called inclusion bodies, because in case of plants you have studied that starch is a stored food. In case of animal, glycogen is a stored food that is present in liver. Starch is present in amyloblast cell. Alright students, this we have done. Now we have done different types of bacteria, but one new term I will add here, that these bacteria may be of gram positive and gram negative. So today I will going to discuss what is gram positive and what is gram negative bacteria. Alright students, there was a scientist Christian Gram. There was a scientist students that is called Sir Christian Gram. So let me discuss you gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Sir Christian Gram. He was the scientist who gave a staining procedure, stainings to color the bacterial cell, to visualize the bacterial cell under the microscope. Staining procedure is done, coloring is done, that is called staining procedure. So Sir Christian Gram do a staining procedure that is called ग्राम स्टेनिंग. एक स्टेनिंग प्रोसीजर था स्टूडेंट जिसे ग्राम स्टेनिंग का नाम दिया गया क्योंकि सर क्रिस्टियन ग्राम ने दी थी. कैसे इन्होंने स्टेन किया बैक्टीरियल सेल को? बिकॉज बैक्टीरियल सेल आर कलरलेस, दे आर डिफिकल्ट टू विजुअलाइज इन माइक्रोस्कोप, सो इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट टू कलर देम विथ स्पेसिफिक स्टेन और यू कैन डाई. ऑलराइट, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट ही डू, ही टेक अ ग्लास स्लाइड. क्या किया उन्होंने? ग्लास स्लाइड ली. Listen carefully student. Glass slide, he take one, for example any bacterial culture, suppose one drop of curd you can say that contains millions of bacteria. So small drop of curd is taken that have lactobacillus bacteria. Then smear is made. Smear, you can say first of all one drop, small drop of curd is taken that contain lactobacillus, and then it is you can say formed, a smear is formed. This is called smear. Smear means whenever we are going to distribute evenly this mixture, this drop of curd, this is called smear. So what we have done, smear is made. Then we have done for heating. What we do, there will be a burner, एक burner होगा, and we will just move the slide over the burner. हम burner के ऊपर ऐसे slide जो है मूव करेंगे, व्हाट विल हैपन, दिस विल ड्राई, ये स्मीयर जो बना है दिस विल ड्राई, ये ड्राई हो जाएगा। ड्राई होने के बाद स्टूडेंट्स वी विल ऐड आयोडीन, we will add crystal violet. Crystal violet is a stain used here, that is primary stain. पहली stain यूज हो रही है तो इसे क्या कहेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, प्राइमरी स्टेन। क्रिस्टल वॉयलेट यूज की, क्रिस्टल वॉयलेट यूज करने के बाद एक्स्ट्रा कलर, बैक्टीरियल सेल्स के पास कलर चला गया, एक्स्ट्रा कलर निकालने के लिए वी हैव यूज अल्कोहल एज अ decolorizing agent. Now what will happen, let me tell you, in case of gram positive bacteria में क्या होगा स्टूडेंट, पेप्टाइडोग्लाइकन से सेल वॉल बनी होती है, नंबर ऑफ पेप्टाइडोग्लाइकन लेयर आर मोर, पेप्टाइडोग्लाइकन की लेयर्स ज्यादा होंगी। इन केस ऑफ ग्राम नेगेटिव बैक्टीरिया द लेयर्स ऑफ पेप्टाइडोग्लाइकन्स आर less number of peptidoglycan layer are present, so it have a thick cell wall, it have a comparatively thin cell wall. So what will happen when we use alcohol as a decolorizing agent, ग्राम पॉजिटिव से क्रिस्टल वॉयलेट कलर नहीं निकलेगा, ग्राम नेगेटिव की सेल वॉल से निकल जाएगा। One reason is that there is less number of peptidoglycan layer. Second reason is that there is pores in peptidoglycan layer. ग्राम पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव के अंदर कुछ पोर्स भी प्रेजेंट होते हैं उसके सेल वॉल के अंदर, लेकिन ग्राम पॉजिटिव के अंदर कोई पोर्स प्रेजेंट नहीं है। नंबर ऑफ पेप्टाइडोग्लाइकन लेयर्स आर मोर, ज्यादा लेयर्स है। तो क्या होगा इन केस ऑफ ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया, क्रिस्टल वॉयलेट रिमेन्स किसके अंदर रह जाएगी स्टूडेंट्स, ग्राम पॉजिटिव। Crystal violet remain in gram positive bacteria but not in gram negative. gram negative के अंदर नहीं होगी, gram positive के अंदर होगी। Then we will add saffronin. This is another stain. This is called secondary stain or you can say counter stain. Very very important student, counter stain. तो पहले हमने crystal violet यूज की, then हमने क्या यूज किया, सैफ्रानिन। तो क्या होगा, ग्राम पॉजिटिव के अंदर तो पहले से ही क्रिस्टल वॉयलेट प्रेजेंट है, सो इट विल नॉट टेक कलर, एंड सैफ्रानिन दैट इज पिंक इन कलर, सो ग्राम नेगेटिव बैक्टीरिया विल बिकम पिंक, दिस विल बिकम हैविंग अ violet color. So on the basis of color, when we see in microscope, we can analyze that whether the gram positive or negative bacteria is present on the basis of color. This procedure is called gram staining, that is given by Christian Lab. Okay student, now moving to our next topic, that is